Hi everyone, and welcome back to Comfort Care Chronicles. I'm Lily Parker, and today we're discussing a crucial topic for anyone seeking quality in-home care: how to find a great home health aide. Imagine this: you or your loved one needs assistance at home, and the goal is to find someone trustworthy, compassionate, and skilled. But where do you start? The process can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can find the perfect match to ensure comfort and quality care. First, assess your specific needs. Determine the level of care required, whether medical assistance, help with daily activities, or companionship. This clarity will guide you in identifying the right qualifications and experience for a home health aide. Next, research reputable agencies. Look for those with strong reviews, proper licensing, and a history of providing quality care. Agencies often handle background checks and training, giving you added peace of mind. Don't underestimate the power of personal recommendations. Speak with friends, family, or healthcare professionals who have experience with home health aides. Their insights can lead you to trustworthy candidates. When interviewing potential aides, ask about their experience, certifications, and approach to care. Observe their communication skills and empathy, which are vital for building a positive caregiver relationship. Remember to verify credentials and conduct background checks. Ensuring the aide has the necessary certifications and a clean record is essential for safety and quality care. Trust your instincts. A great home health aide should meet the required qualifications and connect personally, fostering a comfortable and trusting environment. Finding the right home health aide may take time, but the effort is worth it for the well-being and peace of mind it brings. By following these steps, you can secure compassionate and competent care that enhances the quality of life at home. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others seeking guidance on in-home care. Together, we can navigate the journey to finding exceptional support for our loved ones. Thank you for watching Comfort Care Chronicles. I'm Lily Parker, and I'll see you next time. Take care.